I am Castro, a graduate from the University of Cape Coast. I read Bachelor of Commerce, Accounting option. The students are really enjoying my lessons. Please subscribe to this channel for me because Castro has made mathematics simple. Today, I want us to do Roman numerals. This is for the primary students, primary 5, Roman numerals. Students normally find this session difficult. They don't know how to write the Hindu Arabic numbers in Roman numeral, and I will make it simple. So today's objective is for us to how to write Roman numeral in Hindu Arabic numbers. So our main objective is basically 3 under this topic. Is 3. So our objectives is basically 3 under this topic. And always under Roman numerals, we are using symbols to represent numbers under Roman numerals. Take note that we don't have any Roman numeral for 0. There is no Roman numeral for 0. In our daily lives, our analog watches, that's the watches in our rooms, various rooms. At times, the numbers on the analog clock, some are represented using Roman numeral. Let me take this clock. We know that we are having 1, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. If I ask you to easily tell me the time, you can say the time is 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock. But students normally find it difficult if a clock is being represented by a Roman numeral. They don't know how to write 2 as a Roman numeral because this is in a Hindu Arabic number. So students are not comfortable when their parents buy analog clock with Roman numerals on it because they don't know the Roman numeral for 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and this makes them difficult to read the time. Now these are the Roman numerals from 1 to 100. That's the Hindu Arabic numbers. They have been written in Roman numerals. So I will show you how to write these Roman numerals, but I won't show you all. But I will guide you and show you the tricks in writing these Roman numerals. You should know certain Roman numerals because they are very important. A Hindu Arabic number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10. We have 10, 50, 100. The Roman numeral for 1 is this. 2, we have something like this. 3, 1, 2, 3. 4 is Ivan. And 5 is Vin. 10 is X. 10 is X. 50 we are having L. And 100 we have C. So this will guide you, and I'll use this to show you how certain numbers are written. So you see, I gave you an analog clock, and this analog clock, 12. 12 is this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So this is 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. In some watches, they give you the Roman numeral and the Hindu Arabic number. And for other watches too, they will give you only Roman numeral. So if you don't know that 6, the Roman numeral is this, you cannot read your time. Now, if I give you something like this, and I ask you to read your time, once you know that the Roman numeral for 3 is this, and 12 is this, the time is 3 o'clock. But students normally find it difficult to read the time once we give them Roman numeral. So now we are now writing the Hindu Arabic number in Roman numeral. So as I said, this will guide you. As I said, this will guide you. You see, I gave you x as 10. So if you want 20, this means once I write 2x is 10 plus what? 10. And this will give us 20. So this is 20. Let's take 30. It's x, because the value for this is 10, this is 10, and this is 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10, we are having what? 30. You see, I'm making it simple. That's why I first gave you certain Roman numerals. Let us take 40. We know L to be 50. And to get 40, you sum this Roman numeral with x. So it becomes XL. So 50 minus 10, which will give us 40. So the Roman numeral for 40 is XL. Take note. So if they say 41 becomes SLI, because this is 40 and 40 plus 1 is 41. 45 becomes SLV. This is 40. 40 plus 5 is what? 45. This is 45. Let's take 70. 70. How to write this Hindu Arabic number 70? We know 50 as L. And X is 10. So 50 plus 10 is what? 60. It's left with another 10. So we add X. So you add another X to it. Because 50 plus 10 plus 10. We have our 70. 72. 72 becomes LXX. What is the value for 2? This. So this is 72. Roman numerals is very simple, but students normally find it difficult. 80. 80 becomes, we know this as 50. This is another 10. This is 10. So 50 plus 20 is what? 70. It's left with another 10. So this means 50 plus 30, we are getting 80. This is 50. This is 10. This is 10. This is 10. So 50 plus 30 is what? 80. So the value, the Roman numeral for 80 is LXXX. 85. 85 becomes LXXX. What is the value for 5? It's V. It's not difficult. Roman numeral is simple. Let's take 100. We know 100 is equal to C. So I'm coming to use this 100 to get 90. So 90 becomes, you first write your C. 100 minus 10. It's not like CX. No, this is not accepted. always the number you should subtract from this to get 90, it should be placed in front of the C. So it's SC. This means 100 minus 10, we are getting 90. The Roman numeral for 92 is SC. 95 becomes SCV because the value for 5 is V. 97 becomes SCVII. This is 97. Even though I didn't show you how to write all the Hindu Arabic numbers in Roman numeral, but I have given you a chart that will guide you. But always know that to get 40, we use 50, the Roman numeral for 50, and 10, because you subtract 10 from 50 to get 40. And to get 90, you subtract 10 from 100. So this means you should know the Roman numeral for 110 to get your 90. Roman numeral is very simple. If you see a question on Roman numeral, please never panic. Now, how to write Hindu Arabic numbers in Roman numeral? I'm done with it. C. How to write Roman numeral in Hindu Arabic number. So I will give you examples like write the following. Roman numerals in Hindu Arabic. This is 10. This is 50. So 50 minus 10 is 40. Plus 2, 42. We have 5 here. This is also 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. This is 10. This is 100. 100 minus 10 is 90. Plus 6, 96. This is 10. This is 10. And this is 10. 5. So 30 plus 5, we are having 35. Now we know how to write Roman numeral in Hindu Arabic numbers. Let us also write Hindu Arabic numbers in Roman numeral. So I have given you this question. Write the following Hindu Arabic numbers in Roman numeral. We have 94, 75, 48, 17, 35 and 100. And to write 94, you see always this is 100. And 100 minus 10 is 90. This is x. So to write 4, 4 is even, because 5 minus 1 is 4. This is 94. 75. We know L as 50. So this is also 10. 50 plus 10, 60. Plus another 10, 70. And the symbol for 5 is V. 48. We know L as 50. And 50 from 10 is what? 40. Because always, I told you, if you want to get 40, it's 50 minus 10. And what is 8? 8, we have V as 5. I. 5 plus 3, 8. So 40 plus 8, 48. 17, we know X as 10. V as 5. And this as 2. So 10 plus 7 is 17. 35. One X is 10. Another X is 10. Another X is 10. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is what? 30. 30 plus 5, 35. You see, it's simple. Once you know what you are doing, 100 is C. This is simple. Now let us compare Hindu Arabic numbers to Roman numeral. And also you can also be asked to compare Roman numeral to another Roman numeral. Also, we always compare something using greater than, less than, or equal to. So it's these three symbols. So we are now going to compare Hindu Arabic number to Roman numeral. If you are asked to compare this 8 and C, you see this is what? A Hindu Arabic number, and this is a Roman numeral. But if you don't know the value for the Roman numeral, it becomes difficult for you to compare. Once you know this is 100, we are having 8 here, we are having 100 here. So 8 is less than 100. So you should know the value for the Roman numeral. Example 2. XL 35 L-35. This is 10. This is 50. 50 minus 10 is what? 40. So 40-35. And 40 is greater than 35. So you must know the value for your Roman numeral. The last example. VII-7. We are having this as 5. 5 plus 2 is what? 7. 7-7. They are equal to. You should know the value of your Roman numeral before you can compare. Let us move on to the last session under this heading. Comparing Roman numerals to Roman numerals using greater than, less than, or equal to. Now compare the following. This is x, this is v. 10 plus 5 is what? 15. You know here as 15. This is 10. This is 50. 15 minus 10 is 40. We are having 15 here, we are having 40 here. So 15 is less than 40. You should know how to convert these two values or numbers. This is 100. C is 100. This is 10. This is 100. This is 1. 100 minus 10 is 90. 90 plus 1, 91. So 100 is greater than 91. We have 10 here. This is 1, this is 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. This is 10, 10, 10. So 19, 30. 19 is less than 30. We have 5 here. We have 2 here. 5 is here, 2 here. 5 plus 3 is 7. 5 plus 3 is 7. So this is equal to. So always take note of how to get your 40 and 90. That one is very confusing. I repeat, to get your 40, you should know the Roman numeral for 50 and 10. So you subtract 10 from 50 to get your 40. And to get 90, you should know the Roman numeral for 110, because you will subtract 10 from 100 to get 90. This is an assignment I have given my students to try their hands on. And I believe they will find it very simple, because Roman numerals have been made simple. Thank you and enjoy your day.